HedgehogCare Central introduces a grooming guide for 4 niche pets: hedgehogs, chinchillas, parrots, and sugar gliders, focusing on well-being. Owners learn the right tools for each species, from soft brushes and nail clippers to bird-safe shampoos and safe cage accessories. Step-by-step routines cover brushing techniques for fur and quills, safe handling during trims, and feather or nail maintenance. We highlight common mistakes such as overbathing, gaps in routine, and unsafe handling, while offering practical tips to strengthen trust. The goal is a bonded routine that keeps coats soft, skin healthy, and relationships thriving through calm grooming sessions.